Hi, what we have here is a Lenovo X13 Generation 2 ThinkPad. There's a big refresh on this on the new version here. The biggest one is the addition of 1610 displays on all the versions. This year they're going to have two different versions of this. There's going to be an Intel version and an AMD version. I have here the Intel version. This one has the 11th generation Intel i7 CPU, 16 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, a WQXGA display, an infrared camera. Now, they don't all come with infrared cameras, so if you're buying one of these and you're in the checkout, make sure if you want one, you got to choose it. Wi-Fi 6E. This has a 5G wireless, and this is going to come with two different batteries, a 48 watt hour and a 55 watt hour. This is the this one has the 55 watt hour. Let's open it up and see what we got. First thing out, I believe, is the AC adapter. Lenovo always had very nice packaging. I never had anything damaged in shipping. This here is the Ethernet adapter for hooking in Ethernet. There it is. Let's move this aside. Alright. I can't wait to see the 1610 display. That should be really good. Plus this 4K display this has. This also can come with a touchscreen. There's like 4 different displays, I believe, you can get with this. So there's all kinds of options. Track point, dedicated track point buttons, ports on the side. There's a USB-C for charging. And there's a Thunderbolt 4. The port for this, the Ethernet adapter, is next to that. And there's an HDMI and a USB-A and a microphone headphone jack. On the right side, there's another USB-A. That's the heat exhaust. There's speakers all the way across here. There's the start button. This also has the Think shutter right up here on the top for privacy. Very nice looking unit. This also has a slot here. I'm not sure what that is. That could be a smart card reader. There's going to be, I'm going to put a more in-depth video out, and I'm going to do a full review on this. But that's what it looked like. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what this thing is going to look like. This, the Intel version is going to be available this month in March. The AMD version is going to be available, I believe, in May of this year. So keep that in mind if you do decide to order one. Alright, thanks for watching.